Air Force One, probably the hottest shoe of 2018. I don't see it slowing down this year either. Nike really done milked the cow with this one and released a wide selection for you to choose from you to the mans she told you not to worry about. You're gonna learn how to style the Air Force One. I think someone's in my room. Hey. I'm gonna break the video down into 3 things, and they're gonna be style, pants, and colors. So yeah, let's go. Base model, bread and butter, especially in all white. Since it's casual, I like to wear it so. If you keep the color scheme neutral, it basically goes with everything. It gives a really basic t-shirt and pants outfit way more flavor and seasoning. Bah, guess who doesn't season? White. Awesome for minimal wardrobes, people that have no personality, but that would be boring. And it's 2019, we're stepping out of our comfort zones. People that eat cereal and pour the milk first. For just 2 payments of a little bit, you can get the boneless Air Force One. Sleeker style, same versatility as the originals, easier to put on, you know, just as boneless wings are easier to eat. But hold on there, bud. If you drive a Camaro, we got the Special Forces. Great for that military or grunge look. I salute the troops. Very functional in heavy rain and snow, so you're good year round. Air Force One, Special Forces, Air Force One. Put more forces in that, you'll end up on Star Wars. Tech wear or athleisure, Air Force One Tactical. Great alternative to a used car or any tech wear shoe ever, because they're so expensive. Why is tech wear actually just Bitcoin? But yeah, not that expensive. And OBJ has the same model, and he caught football with one hand, and he's friends with Drake. And I want to be friends with Drake. Obviously, I'm gonna wear his shoe. But really now, you have so many variants of this shoe that it will go with whatever style you want to roll with now. Whether you want to be friends with Drake or you want to join the military and get married really fast, it's up to you. Next up, we got pants. This is a big deal because the Air Force One is a bit of a bulky shoe. So sometimes people look like they got 6ix9ine's new teeth on their feet. He got some big teeth, but this can easily be fixed with a good pair of pants. A more loose pair of trousers always look good, either laying on the shoe or cuffed. I prefer to cuff my pants when I'm wearing forces, but that's just me. I'll probably wear some high socks to complement the combo as well. Really ties in the look. But if you're really into slim jeans, you can always cuff them as well to offset the ratio. Really depends on your body type, but for the most part, it also really falls on your style. You really got to look in the mirror for this one, but I'd say as long as you're not in some tights or condom fit jeans, you'll be fine. Track pants are great too. Some of them have a cuff to properly present the shoe. The athleisure vibe really goes well with a sneaker like this, but just keep the bulkiness in mind because compatibility is key. Just because someone's hot doesn't mean you're gonna go well with them. It's not all about the set. Resell. Or yeah, the resell might even be good too. But if you want to get some good wear out of them in your outfits, they have to look good with pants. So fitment is key. Lastly, we got colors. There's a reason the all white Force is the classic. It's the best colorway. Looks great in almost all the styles in my opinion. You really can't go wrong. There are some dope color schemes out there though. I really especially like the earth tone ones, but I'm telling you, all white is iconic. You think of a Supreme logo, red. You think of a Jordan 1, probably bread. Air pods. I got respect women. Air Force One white. Okay, so thanks for watching the video guys, and leave a like if this helped you style the Air Force One. Comment your favorite model below. I like the off-white ones because it's Virgil Abloh. So follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Yeah guys, respect women. Big news next video.